Managing money wisely requires understanding basic financial concepts and strategies. But many people lack the financial literacy to make sound money decisions. Here are 5 tips to improve your money skills. First, take inventory of where your knowledge gaps lie. Common areas people struggle with include budgeting, investing, retirement planning, taxes, mortgages. Knowing where to focus your learning is key. Read personal finance books and blogs to expand your knowledge at your own pace. The Simple Path to Wealth and I Will Teach You to Be Rich are very accessible for beginners. Watch money management videos from reputable sources. Short learning bursts are easy to fit into your routine. Check channels like The Financial Diet and Humphrey Young for digestible tips. Attend free financial webinars and seminars in your community or online. Public libraries, colleges and financial institutions often host money workshops. Hands-on practice makes money concepts concrete. Open a high-yield savings account and actually make regular deposits. Use budgeting software and invest small amounts in a Roth IRA. Improving financial literacy takes initiative, but pays dividends in the form of better money decisions. Be patient with yourself and celebrate each new money skill you add. Knowledge is financial power. For more useful personal finance tips, subscribe to our channel. Taking control of your money situation starts with learning.